The EMA 50 generally is right now at $0.001 in an unobtrusive manner. The $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar especially is serious areas of strength for truly, so they sort of thought. Spell United States dollar by and large is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bears control spells especially current cost activities in a truly significant manner. 24 December 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through in a real sense spell especially token cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of clarified some pressing issues, facts. What generally is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for in every practical sense, spell token, by and large is generally spell a kind of wise speculation, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell really token help and obstruction levels and so forth, which generally is very huge. However, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the spell specialized examination, let us discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they truly thought. Market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there all things considered, was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033 in an unpretentious manner. The very complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $59,916,753 in a sort of large manner. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the truly all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $59,916,753, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, showing that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that bears control spells in every practical sense, current cost activities, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,678,108,084,033 in an unobtrusive manner. BNB, the very local coin of BNB especially, is somewhere near 0.23 and presently exchanging at $269.10 in an especially significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem, which sort of is very huge. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending heading for kind of present moment, kind of additional appearance, how spell United States dollar sort of is defied with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, which by and large is genuinely huge. As of now, an essentially broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Spell really token help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to by and large recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Support really is a level at which purchasers explicitly become kind of more essentially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of shows that most certainly spell kind of symbolic help and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a fundamentally significant manner. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which merchants truly become truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how most certainly spell pretty symbolic help and opposition backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to all things considered. Distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an extremely large manner. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of in every way that really matters, spell genuinely token, spell, truly spell certainly token execution, the cost of most certainly spell all things considered, token, spell, basically is at $0.000869994. Down 1.69% in the truly beyond 24 hours and essentially has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, exhibiting that BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, explicitly is somewhere near 0.23 and as of now exchanging at $269.10 in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while kind of all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. There especially are practically 103,446,920,678 in a real sense are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the spell specialized examination, generally let us fundamentally discuss the genuinely current economic situations in a genuinely huge manner. Spell commonly token value examination for the most part spell cost investigation for 24 December 2023, inside a sort of day-to-day time period, really made sense of beneath, so basically spell pretty symbolic value investigation basically spell cost investigation for 24 December 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time period in a real sense made sense of underneath. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving truly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving most certainly normal, EMA, to really investigate the future development of the spell token. Or so they explicitly thought. While spell's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange genuinely signal really is certainly conceivable at this reach, showing how the kind of complete exchanging volume basically remains at $59,916,753, which truly is very critical. The spell United States dollar moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, pointer in a real sense, is showing a truly present moment truly sell extremely signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath most certainly signal line, which most certainly implies, especially bears certainly are overwhelming on the lookout. Exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum